guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a workout website. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notifications so you can get my latest uploads. So alright guys, you can use this website on your mobile and also on your desktop, your laptop. So the name is MuscleWiki. So you can see the first link, open that. So the interface is something like this. If you are going to find any workout on YouTube, so you have to just watch other videos continuously. So I'm gonna show you how this works. If you are a male, so select a male. If you are a female, so you can select the female. Over here is a 2 option and you have to select your workout. For example, as you can see, legs workout, your calves workout, arm, chest, abs, shoulder workout, every workout over here. So we will go for abs first. You can select whatever you want to work out. You can see over here back and triceps, biceps. So as you can see over here is all workout for abs, and you can see also the written how to do the proper exercise over here. And if you want more facial exercise, you can click over here to see more exercise. And if you want some another, go back and let's check out legs workout over here. So you can see all the legs workout over here. For more exercise, you can click over here. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this video. So guys, I hope for this video was helpful for you, for the gym lovers. So I hope you enjoy. If you so, leave a like, comment, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.